people, welcome back on WLN Show. Our phone numbers go there on Untitled TV. If you begin to call us now today for ask questions on top how you don't hook you for emotional time, where you don't tie yourself. Right. Release yourself now when the time is still fresh. Over to you, Pastor.
All right. So this matter what we discussed before. Say person in the office, they be friends with person.
Like my own example.
Like they do matter now, where you be friends for office and all that. Then one day go shopping for his own dates, come show his friend for office. And that one come vex and not talk anything, just vex. You know what happened there? Before, she don't talk, say, I want tall, dark, handsome, you know, don't give her criteria. And most of those things at that initial stage, not just that whole survival mode, preservative, covering. Yes, that kind of thing. Let's just keep it. Then subconsciously, you just there for office, they follow them G's, they laugh. Walls, they drop. The walls just they come down, you know. Walls just they drop.
What's up, Jericho?
It was, and most of these things no be intention. Not just the way we did. That's why to be aware of emotional ties, they keep. Most people don't know how then they feel. You know, a lot of people know they are aware of what then they feel. You know, they get people where then they talk for phone with particular people, then go get sexual arousing. And nobody the person where they date or no the person that they marry. But they don't feel explain them. Because
how you think they happen?
Because the thing don't pass, the gist don't enter emotions. Don't they trigger feelings.
Some kind of things.
People know most people know they are aware of what then they feel. So they don't feel explain what then they feel. Some of them will just feel say, now vex then they feel or but the whole idea of this thing at all, they are aware of what they feel. You know, you deal with this person, you they really, really happy, but you don't know. Then you can't deal with person say where you say you love. Now vex, you know. You they sigh, you know. Oh, please come and drop me. I'm tired, I need to sleep. Meanwhile, you follow the other person talk from morning till the date come pick them up.
And meanwhile, if you even go house, if somebody feel call you for phone,
that
now
person if call them now, you go still they talk because you don't even know what in the person they do. Now why not emotional tie?
Elsie, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
I did fine, no.
Which question you get to ask?
Nedu, I beg, good evening, Nedu.
Yeah, we hear you. Good evening.
Yeah. Pastor, good evening.
Evening, Elsie. How are you now?
Yeah, I'm fine. I beg, you get this problem with my friend, the face. He just did for grand now. So that make me call you. I don't know that it gets anything to do with it. But I want to ask you, the only two things I want to make you tell us now, say, which kind of character be this, and also how the person fit take leave with the person, because they're already married and they get children.
Okay.
So, you see, her husband get one character where he gets how, I in a very dangerous communication. So if you see woman, you get how they look the person, and then when the person now start to the one reciprocate, they follow him. He go come now, run, come hide for under his wife, like say no one. So you see, I tried to defend her several times, but then it get what happened 2 days ago, and I did there. So the wife called my attention to it. So, and then I call her and say, I don't really see this the way you do. So why you do like that? And so they argue with the wife, saying not do. The man argue like this, the man denied to say I remove cap for him. So I call her and say, me myself, I see you do the thing. So he asked me, say, whether I open mouth, tell the woman, say, in like him. You know that kind of thing. And always the women, the way the wife, they try to relate with, now they do that thing too. So how you go fit take live with her, you understand?
Okay.
So I want to make you really explain to us, because now she be really vexed. If not for give her the phone, she talk to you.
Say anything. So,
okay. This one a very big problem. I know some people where she they relate with.
Okay.
So she they fear, and then she they feel say if you go down to somebody who is very desperate, and the person go want get rid of her and her children. Okay, so if the man they look like that, why be say when the one come, he go the wrong?
You know, I never fully understand the look. Say that in they wink at them, or in they say,
or they tell them something.
They tell them something. How in they look?
You know they tell. You know they talk. In they use eye, they connect.
Okay. Say, make we see later, or make we talk later.
I know if you understand, but I know very lustfully. They look them very lustfully.
Okay.
And then they just understand and say, he wants them. You understand?
He don't do anything well now, no. He don't do anything well then.
No, he not do. He not they do anything. But when he look them like that, Then they now want time.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
they run after him.
Okay.
Then
All
he go now call run meeting wife.
Okay.
That time no want
All
to
right.
Elsie, thank you. Make answer the question.
Now,
Thank
fine
you.
boy.
I beg, answer for me.
Now IzyBeatz.
All right. What did happen there? Now, just simple case of this person now, just for in mind, they very adventurous. Maybe now when they younger, say when notice, say they get a single look person. You know, say we never even fully maximize our potentials around where we dey. Eyes na serious communication. You don't get us go look person, eh? Now die. You said the person self go say now out of pity. Say, look, okay, I don't love you, but come, let's help us. You know. Because
Easy, do that your eye, do that your eye now.
easy there. Okay. So what did happen here? Be say, waiting this man they do, they very unhealthy. If he even they subconscious. Now why they
say
deny?
no, no.
So he no even know. So that's when they do. So one of the ways they will help him. Now if you on catch him as they do him, then you say. Now this thing where you did do, they make these girls come near this house. Now this behavior, or maybe a girl as in they look, then you go put laughter. You don't say you need to communicate. If you communicate passion, you will go look, can't lick mouth. You know. So maybe that thing when they do. Now, a guy, if you they hear me, you know they healthy for your marriage. Because waiting go happen the day where your wife no go day to defend you. This her friend no go day. Then you go come be say. That them tempt you. But then don't they notice now? Say now the way you they look. I don't know those kind of girls where now only look. I don't know them, you know, but I don't talk say no be true, now talk now. But how now only look? It be like say never even talk everything. No be, see, look, figure that kind of stuff, but now for only some type of mind where those kinds of things feel work. You need to back them up with something.
With words.
Maybe don't promise say I go take care of you or I go because how girl go do because they look except say the only thing I want to connect them now, na sex.
Maybe now, baby, that too.
You know?
Anyway, Peter, good evening. Hello, Peter. Okay, Frank, good evening.
Good evening, good evening, good evening.
Evening.
Good evening.
Today is the first time I watch this on our program.
Oh, thank you very much, Frank.
I'm
for
telling
watching.
you, it's very, very, I do like the program.
It's very, very,
Thank you. Thank you.
My own concern,
Yes.
there is one woman
Okay.
in our society. The husband is also there. You know, that's like cultural thing.
Which society be that?
Cultural organization.
Oh, I said make I know.
So where Oga Frank talk society.
Man, they're gonna be like witchcraft. Continue.
Okay, so the husband and the wife, they are there, and they have one other person also that is friend to the husband.
Okay.
But every time they are doing anything,
Hey. Frank, call us back.
Try
What's
call
to
back.
continue
Yes.
on top
So
emotional ties?
this thing, no, what in the man they do know they healthy. How to help them? Now to if you see them where they do them, one them say that thing when they do.
So now the
Because
girls now they
if
then
you
get the
no
emotional
know-
ties, not be the man.
Well, now the thing when they do. So awareness now for both parties.
Okay.
You know, the person where they don't take emotional tie, take catch, and the person where they won't throw them.
The tie.
The tie
The tie
and the tire. You know, everybody, because sometimes, maybe not just the way you did, you're just a gentleman, you know. You believe in chivalry, so you open door for your wife, you did very... So when you come out, now your self-image where they try to portray on people, but you don't know, say no be everybody they like you. So everybody wants waiting you get. So when you come out, you go give attention, you make eye contact, you listen to them, you they nod, you they smile,
Yeah.
you know, and they do, you know. So the girl, the feel say, look, this not the, you know, and you don't know, say you don't throw hook, you they pull the hook nearer. I said, no, feel free to come anytime you like. She said, thank you, Jesus. Thank you.
My prayer has been finally
Thank you.
Then
Then they will not, are you sure anytime? Well, as long as it's coming, anytime. You know, they'll not call around midnight. Is this a bad time? Then you will call, you know what, you be gentleman now. You do shit, you get up, come out for, no, it's okay, you can talk now.
Your wife will wonder why you they come out. They go answer
And they should
call.
come, they
Meanwhile,
ask you,
nothing.
You don't enter trouble now for nothing. Because now you be the emotional tire. And then the tie, the person where they talk so feel even the relationship. So in don't
But
become
because of say you don't get another person where they
where they take, where they feed,
cure am.
yes, where they cure that thing. Because the truth is, no be solution. No. Now it be like drug, now placebo effect. You don't marry a person now, but somebody else they give you like it be like fix.
Hey.
You know, you go just happy for a season. So you go to look forward to
to getting that.
Yes, to that season,
Pat, good evening.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Well done, Oga Nedu.
Thank you.
IzyBeatz, I agree to.
Good evening, Pat.
Good evening, Pastor.
Evening, Pat. How are you now?
Fine, I beg, I get one question when I want to ask.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
My question is, get one woman when I know.
Yes.
She dey see the man. It's like to her, she dey hide the man.
She dey hide the man.
Yes, they like the man.
Okay.
So before you know, the man self can't go marry another person. The man self no say she dey like him.
Okay.
So the man can't go marry another person.
Okay.
So but after the wedding, the woman can't go somewhere, can't they cry there. So that kind situation. Now, what thing you go call that emotion?
Hey now the two they talk, we say maybe as if they like the man and the man no respond. Now, as the man don't marry, so how you go take help that girl now to wake him up, realize say you they like person when no like you back. Now you don't they emotionally tied to that person. Because if as he no know, maybe not the way in they talk or the way in they ask him questions about her life. Now she don't they feel say the man like him. But as the man no say she like him, she don't marry another person and she don't go on with her life. You know, so now she will go sit down, bring them back to reality, say this man don't marry, you go help yourself disconnect. Because if you know this crying now, no they change anything. Your crying itself go come put shame. You come to wonder how you they cry over married man when no say you like him. You know, so
at least you're not even sure in any way.
Yes.
Say, like
so
you.
if they happen, so if you there and you they hear and it happen, now you where you happen, as you cry finish, so you go pick yourself up, realize say you for don't use style, put out, make the conversation even more like we don't talk before. Nothing said,
nothing implied. Evans, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
Evening, sir.
I'm fine.
Which question you get to ask today?
I beg, waiting big and now this, like man waiting with woman now for us,
Yeah.
That is just of reason now the woman could invest anything with the man when I just allow the woman could invest. So wait if you want that too.
Okay. What if you cause him? Okay. I hang up now. I'm going to talk. So when man the house and then
This one not come out us from what we discuss.
No. And say the woman just the vex. So two things. Either the man know they try again, or somebody don't they try pass him.
Evans, you don't hear me. Either say you know they try because I should say now you the thing that happened to me. Because when you take ask him, it's a personal something. Either say you know they try again,
Or person don't they
or
try
somebody don't they try pass you.
And you know, if you don't even know, saying they try pass you. If you be, you know, this is that very subtle thing. You go somebody house or you go event, and there's somebody where don't know you from anywhere. Just day your face. Just they ask you, don't show up, how you day. Please make sure that woman is eating.
You not get how you not go wonder, say,
you know,
this person.
nothing. You know, when you they go, say, you don't they go. Okay, you are friends. So, okay, just take care of yourself. This is my card. You know, call me. What do you do? So, okay, great. So I'll see whether I can send your CV somewhere. Okay, take care of yourself. She called it and thank you very much. Say, please keep in touch. I really appreciate talking to you. You know,
You yourself,
meanwhile,
feel.
yeah, she just come. Then you reach back. You reach Lagos. Your guy where you the date. Now when you call him, hey, call me later. Oh, later. We'll talk later. You never do anything where they bad though. Now because of the experience where you get from where they come from, not be saying don't change. Now he's a very focused person. You know, so not be bad boy. Now very focused person. When you call, I say I will call you later, and he will call you later. But now when you not talk, I'll call you later because of waiting you don't experience where they come from. You go just try make comparison, and now that be the danger of emotional ties. Once you begin make comparison, if you say waiting you don't just chop now. Sweet pass waiting you don't they chop. You know, person they ask you whether you don't how you day, how your body.
Meanwhile, the best way you get, not the you call him. He not call you now. You call him. Say if you
call me later. Call me later. You just say, see, this is rubbish. You know, people are falling, people are dying for me. This one, no, you know, and then you go buy market. You go just begin try off this one. Come go back. The guy go just carry. So come, let's go to my house. You say go don't happy. Which has to show you in teenage children and in wife. You know, this one of my daughters I met her. You know. You go just do what?
Frank, Frank, don't call back. Frank, good evening.
I am whose daughter?
Frank.
Oga, do good evening.
Yeah, you
continue.
been ask. Continue with your question.
No, not me behaving talk that time. I mistake my number to a different person.
Okay,
Sorry.
Frank. Sorry, not vex. Not there for work.
Okay.
So
I want to ask small guy, Pastor Iheanyi something.
Hey, I asked Jerry.
He promised to give us number we will use the caller.
Oh, now you, Abi. Oh, now you. Sorry, now you, Abi.
I want to ask about the book. Those of us really Calabar, how we get lay hand on the book. I appreciate the wonderful work we did.
Oh, okay.
And
Okay.
really helping our relationship. I don't send you message on Twitter.
I don't see him. I don't see him.
And so I don't know how we take the books for Calabar and the number we promised to give us
Next week.
about relationship issue.
Okay, next week. Next week, eh?
Thank you, sir.
All right, next week number go day, and then when the book come out, we go talk about them small, and then we go distribute, and then if we fit with the trust God, we go hit some towns with relationship straight talk.
Yeah,
we go
exactly.
So we go. I see you.
Frank, thank you. Pastor, continue.
You know, so you come back from somewhere. You don't say now one day. Now that's that one experience. Now you don't take condemn all the work where this boy don't they do or this girl don't they do. She don't do it because she just go somewhere. But she just give you attention. You know, you bring food for the boy, bring drink. The people for them say, madam, not be only. They said, no, man, said that this fine boy I don't want to take care of today. And now joke, she just first the joke. You know, you go back house, you reach Lagos from the event, call your fiance. You know it's Wednesday now.
I just think of something now, Pastor. No vex. I just think of something now. I imagine woman when she been lean before, she been thin before, maybe because of childbearing or something.
Big.
She come big. Now the husband for house can't the big I'm saying make it the work out, and then suddenly maybe he can't go somewhere.
But she just appreciates her.
But she just appreciate, man, I love your size.
This is good to hold and to
It's good to hold. You from Benin. Good evening.
When you come back house.
Kelvin. Hello? Kelvin, call us back if you go fit connect. That kind of woman now, when she go back house now.
Go ahead, go like that, come back. Now, one thing. You know, say, like as this man talk, say the wife they complain. You know, most times if it not be plenty things, if it be one thing, when not just and him not just understand. Yes, and him not just won't understand. Say, I no talk say make you no come out. I no talk say just make I know where you dey. So that I go know whether I go cook or I no go cook. Why you dey monitor me? You been a that is when we dey date. Why you dey monitor me? You no go see care. You go see monitoring. And once you begin resist, women they process information differently. You go begin interact. You go just begin relate to them differently. And if she not get anybody to talk to. Now you go take them out on. You go just come out, you go enter room. You enter room, she enter parlor, she come out outside.
Sheriff, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
Evening, sir.
I did fine now. How are you?
Good day, fine. Which question you get to ask Pastor this evening?
I did enjoy on a groove.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Which question you get to ask?
The question I get to ask the many.
Ask one today.
One of the questions is say, this time when you say you marry wife so often at the group before, all of a sudden she comes say she don't play phone again.
Okay.
She don't drink beer again. She know they go out. She know they do all these things again. But you still do the streets. You still do wrong things.
Yeah.
You go out. You still do group. How you go take the cook with that kind of wife now when not they do all these kind of things? And you still do.
Okay, you still day, yeah,
that way.
Yeah, you still the paracbo, your wife not the paracbo again, your wife still the going again.
But question, no be say you don't craze, you just still the flange.
Yeah.
Abi?
You still the flares, you still the paracbo, you still the wrong thing.
I want to hear something now.
When you meet your
I
wife,
want to hear paracbo. Waiting be that paracbo.
So that is to the
Just the socialize, just the movement. Okay.
All right, Sheriff, thank you.
Okay, make an answer.
Plenty people get this problem.
Yes,
Plenty
that's a
people
big
continue
deal.
fast.
You see, for relationship, when it go long, small, so I don't know how we go talk. When you and person marry because una get the same interest, and faith issues, religious issues coming much later. Now you where feel say you don't find higher calling, need to be more tolerant. No,
you were born again.
Now you will say life change. Because you see, if husband and wife, if now you they buy them in cigar, they buy them in drink, they buy them in good, because that's what both of them they do before. Then one day, you just change. And you just say you don't see light. He no see the light. He never see any light. So to come the first light on top in eye, now that's when you are preaching at. You're not preaching to. Now, when you don't try force your personality now on your own, and nothing will happen naturally in resistance. And for now, I'm not going to get friction. You go say, God forbid, no cigarettes go in my house again. But now you be the buy cigarettes
You be the buy
before.
for them.
Now you be the buy the drinks before. So what you go do now, now to tolerate them and carry the matter, not a spiritual matter. Now, as God touch you, now you take change. Not be saying now you change by yourself. Now God will touch you. So you go to pray, make God touch him
too.
But now you go show tolerance. Because love, not tolerance. Well, if you love them, you go tell and say, look, I'm not going to throw away you because of this behavior. God go help you. You go to help them, they guide them. You go rake, you go vex. But if you no show tolerance, you go feel, say, you they try to show, say, you better pass them. But you know better pass them. Now God will change you. Where you can't talk, say, oh, cannot drink again, and no, so that's socializing. You can even look for ways to arrange them in such a way, say, you figure more control. You go say, okay, this month to make we do them for house. Make a day backyard or a day parlor. Make we day. Because if you don't show tolerance, what's the one when you want pray, you go say, make we pray together. If you say no problem, we could just pray. You go talk, say, God protect my husband as he sleep, so make it they hear you. Because make you know, say your mind, your heart, day where it day. No be to cut off. Because when you meet them, now so he be when you accept them like that. So now that tolerance where we never fully understand. And people they assume say because them don't change, everybody around them will change. See, if they see the world the way you be, you no go ever help anyone. You need to see the world the way the person be. Now the only way where you go feel help that person. Because if you come to speak your own language and the person don't understand your language, you're a sinner. Once you begin to say the person don't understand what you talk, not be me you they sin before.
Before you're a sinner, you're a sinner.
Are we not? So how this thing can't take better pass man? Because you even have to even convince them. Because that you they buy the cigar, they buy the drink. Now you they do the parakpo. Now parakpo where he meet you. Now for parakpo. In the process of parakpo, now he meet you. And then now you don't change. God go help you. Listen, if anybody they struggle with this thing, please know emotions emotion are very basic feeling. Keep emotions, which we talk about emotional ties. This thing fits stop your life. People they emotionally deal with different spouses. They use emotions rather than use maturity and objectivity. Two of us had the same interests when we marry. You can't change. You go help the person understand what you don't find. Not be saying you go say you no go drink.
You must force enter. You must do
That's
it.
not how to change a person. Because how you take change, you don't know. So to the first person to change, when you not too fully understand how you take change, not even error. Because then the person will just be say you don't turn to him, mama, not being wife again. And if na hard man, it go come they do am full time. Make we see.
Oh yeah, now
Yes,
remember,
make we see how this matter go be. Make we see who be man for this house. Okay.
Anyway, double toilet to all of you we don't call us for on top the show. Those of you we don't send messages on top Twitter. Thank you very much. Pastor Iheanyi enter the topic of emotional ties. Tying yourself, whether you are the tire or the tie. Emotional ties. We don't start out today. We will continue next week Friday on top the matter. Those of you we call with our issues. We hope say the reply with Pastor Iheanyi give una don't happen. If you want to follow Pastor Iheanyi on top Twitter, it is very simple. @Iheanyi1. @Iheanyi1. Let me pass Iheanyi Twitter handle. See me there on top TV now. Copy and quick before we can come out. @Iheanyi1 on top Twitter. Ask him questions. If you want make you give you a number on top Twitter, your own personal number. Why we never not be say numbers not day? Why we never give the one when they nana? Because of say we give them the whole world go break the phone. So therefore we'll get another official line when we say official line. When we say anybody will call that line, we know say now for to answer to ask question and to get answer. Anyway, double toilet to DJ IzyBeatz, K Solo, K Moss, everybody. Katim go come on Monday. Anyway, see you next week Monday. Sharply, big bash, the biggest bash, all about soft skill and hard skill. Anyway, see you Monday. Good night.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.